as far as the cost of the tool kind of dictates the lead time of the tool. So you got a simple shallow cavity 2-part tool, you know, you're not going to have too much of a lead time on your material to get to the shop. And, you know, you're looking at probably 4 to 6 weeks, depending on the complexity of it. You know, and something we've talked about before, you know, it's like, even if you have a simple part or a job, it looks very simple, but like if you get into a logo or anything that creates little tiny detail, you know, for the shop that's manufacturing that tool, I mean, you're looking at smaller tools, you know, higher RPM, smaller picks. So you might look at it like it's just a little logo, it's 4x4, but it's got real intricate detail. You know, you could be looking at 20 or 30 hours of spindle time to cut out that little detail of that part. You know, it looks simple. So, I mean, again, it kind of goes all back to the complexity of the mold. You know, but I'd say on average, you're looking at 6 to 8 weeks, you know, typically on most your standard molds. You get into, you know, like we mentioned before, you get into pullbacks or these multi-parted, you know, type cavities, they get pretty complex. So you got the machining aspect of it, and then, you know, the putting together, the plumbing of the cylinders, you know, the fitting of the parts to make sure everything kisses home where it's supposed to. And, you know, all that can be very time involved. So, I mean, you know, a job like that, you're probably looking at, you know, anywhere from 10 to 12 weeks.